Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Strava on Garmin. To use Strava on Garmin, start by opening the Garmin Connect mobile app, go to Settings, select Connected Apps, and choose Strava. Tap Agree, then sign in and authorize a connection. Once linked, your past 90 days of activities will sync automatically, and all future Garmin workouts will appear directly into your Strava timeline. To sync Strava routes, open Garmin Connect. Ensure courses are enabled for Strava. Then go to Training and Planning. Choose Courses. Send your route to the watch on your Garmin. Start an activity. Open the menu. Browse courses. Pick your route and begin. The watch will guide your navigation. If you encounter issues like sync delays, they're often temporary and resolve on their own. For missing heart rate data, confirm Strava has access to health permissions or set your Garmin to broadcast heart rate. And that's how you seamlessly use Strava with your Garmin watch. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.